Another really great tip when creating a website or using your website is that you can actually embed Google Docs, presentations directly to your website. So here I've created a page for Google Tips and Tricks. And if I hit Edit Page, because this is where I'm going to want it to go, I've created a PowerPoint that I converted to a Google presentation, and I'm going to embed that directly here on this page. When I put my Google presentation in my Drive, I did make it public so that anyone with the link could view it. That way, when people go to the site, it shows them the actual presentation versus you do not have permission to view this presentation. So once I'm on the page, if I go to Insert, go over to Drive, and then you just select exactly what you want. I'm going to want to insert a presentation, and this is the Google presentation, not the PowerPoint. If I click that, and then you can include a border, you can include the title, whatever it is that you're going to want, and then the size. You can play around with that size. Unfortunately, you're going to have to click Save to view it in the beginning. And so here is that Google presentation, and then you can just scroll through and see each one. You can view it full screen and scroll through each of the slides that way. And so that is how you can embed that. Then if you look at it and you go, I kind of wish it was centered. So if you click it, these are the tools to adjust it. You can center it so that's in the center of the page, just like that. Hit save. And again, now you can see that Google presentation. Then you can actually click on it to advance the slides. Something else you might want to add on is if you had a form where people might be putting input that you are going to want to share with a lot of other people. For example, we have this website criteria that we created in a math class with topics, what the website would be used for, the actual web address, the course standard, the level, and then any comments, and then would we use that site. So if I wanted to share this website criteria responses out with lots of other people, and I wanted to do that view through our website, I can just go to the page that I'm going to want to put it on, just like I did when I embedded that Google presentation. I'm going to click Edit Page, go to Insert, something from my Drive, and then I go down to Spreadsheet because that's the type of document that it is. It's going to show up here, so you can scroll through until you find it. I can click it and hit Select. And again, how big do I want it to be? We're going to view it as a spreadsheet. You can see it as a list, and you can play around with those different options as well. So hit Save. I'm going to want to center this. And then you can see the spreadsheet, and you can scroll within that document. You can even click within it, and it just becomes a usable document shared easily through a website. So as long as you're going to want this information to be shared publicly with whoever has access to the site, that is a really great way to use your Google site.